What is NTM lung disease? Unlike tuberculosis, it is not contagious. Soil and water environmental factors are the root cause.
Yeah, so NTM, non-tuberculous mycobacteria, they're related to two more well-known mycobacteria, tuberculosis and leprosy. They're in the same genus. There are about 200 species, so it's a complicated field. You need to have a good laboratory to be able to tell the clinician which species is being isolated from our patients' respiratory specimens. And the good news is most of them don't harm us. They are, like you said, they're in water, they're in soil, they occur naturally in the environment, and they're ubiquitous. Basically, everywhere that's ever been tested, you're going to find some amount of mycobacteria. And, in general, they're not very pathogenic to humans, meaning they don't generally harm us, but they can. And typically, they look for a weakness either in the immune system or some structural lung disease. Terry mentioned bronchiectasis. Probably about 80% of our patients have underlying bronchiectasis, and the rest of them have COPD or some other form of lung infection. So you breathe them in all the time. We probably breathe them in every day of our life, but they don't harm us unless they get in there and the lung cannot clean itself, and they get stuck in there and they grow. And then, as Terry said, it's quite variable what happens to the patient after that, to the person. Some may be very asymptomatic and very stable, whereas others can progress and develop cavitary disease and require treatment.
View this full video at atsnow.thoracic.org.